In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually install an Obsidian plugin. If you've ever downloaded a plugin outside the in-app browser, maybe from a developer's release page or a shared folder, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to put those files and how to make Obsidian recognize them. As always, only use plugins from sources you trust, and consider backing up your vault before making changes. Start by opening Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want the plugin installed. Each vault has its own plugins, so the location matters. Once you're in the right place, look to the bottom left of the app and open Settings by clicking the gear icon. This is where all plugin controls live. In the Settings sidebar, head to Community Plugins. If you see a prompt to enable community plugins, turn it on. This disables safe mode and lets Obsidian load third-party code. That's expected for manual installs, but again, it's important to use reputable plugins. Within Community Plugins, find the Installed Plugins section. There's a small folder icon there. Click it. Obsidian will open your Vault's plugins directory in your File Explorer. This is the .obsidian plugins folder for the Vault you're using. If you're on Windows, it will open in File Explorer, on Mac OS in Finder, and on Linux in your default file manager. Now place your plugin into this folder. Use the plugin you've already downloaded. Most plugins arrive as a single folder that contains at least a manifest file and a main JavaScript file, sometimes with an optional style sheet. If your download was a zip, extract it first, then move the resulting folder into the plugins directory. Make sure you're not nesting folders by accident. The plugins files should be directly inside its own folder, and that folder should sit directly inside the plugins directory. Switch back to Obsidian and click Reload next to Installed Plugins. This refreshes the list so the app can detect what you just added. If everything is in the right place, your plugin should appear under Installed Plugins, ready to manage from Obsidian like any other community plugin. If you don't see it, confirm that you pasted it into the correct Vault's plugins folder, that the folder isn't doubled up inside another folder, and that required files are present. A quick reload or a full app restart can also help Obsidian pick up new additions. That's it. You've manually installed an Obsidian plugin and refreshed the app to recognize it. Follow these steps anytime you need to add a plugin from outside the in-app marketplace.